What if you could hear the sound of the Big Bang? In this video, you are going to hear the sound of the Big Bang as it would have been during the actual event. Although it didn't exactly go bang, here's the theory. You know it's impossible to hear anything in a true vacuum. Although the early universe wasn't a vacuum, instead it was filled with hydrogen and ionized gas, the resulting sound of the Big Bang would be far too low frequency to hear directly. Using real cosmic data, scientists from the University of Washington have simulated the sound.